channel. If you're passionate about drumming and looking to expand your skills, guess what? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a fascinating technique called linear drumming. We'll explore what it is and how it works, and I'm going to show you guys how to apply it to create some killer fills and grooves. So grab your sticks, let's get behind the drums, and let's get it started. Y'all ready? Let's go. First off, let's break down what linear drumming actually is. In simple terms, linear drumming involves playing one note at a time, which means no two limbs hit the drums simultaneously. This creates a clean and clear sound, making it perfect for intricate fills and grooves. Now, when we talk about linear drumming, we often use 16th notes as our foundation. A 16th note is one of the subdivisions of a beat, and in a 4/4 measure, there are 16 of them. Now, by combining these notes in a specific sequence, we can create unique patterns that are both rhythmic and melodic. Now, let's look at a basic linear pattern to get us started. Today, we're going to explore the 8-5-3 pattern. There's only one thing to remember in this linear pattern. All your even numbers, the last 2 hits, are on the kick drum, and all your odd numbers, the last 1 hit, is on the kick drum. That's all you need to know. So when number 8 will be played like this. And the numbers 5-3 is played like this. Now let's try to expand this idea into a drum fill. And remember, you can mix and match your notes. Just keep it linear. We can take that idea and start adding variations to it. For instance, let's start moving our hands around the toms now. Notice how each note is distinct? That's the beauty of linear drumming. It's all about maintaining that linear feel while still making it exciting. So here's the cool thing about the 8-5-3 linear pattern. It's not locked to just one sound. Now watch what happens when I move around the kick using that same pattern. I'm using that same number system, 8-5-3, but now I'm hitting different sources as I go. By just changing which circuits I hit, I'm able to change the whole vibe of the song. Snare, tom, kick, hi-hats, all the same 8-5-3 pattern. A simple groove for 2 measures and then do the 8-5-3 moving around the drum kit. Your ears will tell you what sounds good. Trust me. And now that we have some fills down, let's see how we could apply linear drumming to create some grooves. Using ghost notes on the snare and some accents on the hi-hat can produce some real funky grooves. understanding the pattern versus just memorizing hand positions. Same pattern, but completely different groove. Around can add some real good spice to your grooves. Try experimenting placing your hands on different sources on the drum set. You'll start hearing some really interesting grooves. It's all about trying different things until you find what works. And like I said, your ears will tell you what sounds good. And once you own the numbering, you can take it anywhere you want on the drum kit. And there you have it, guys. Linear drumming is a fantastic way to spice up your drumming with unique fills and grooves. Remember, practice is key, so start slow. And as you get comfortable, challenge yourself to play faster and more complex patterns. And if you find this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more drumming tips and tricks. You can also drop a comment and let me know what linear patterns that you guys are coming up with. I would love to check them out. And until next time, keep drumming and stay creative.